Hello everyone, today let's introduce MKETDZ5WS low-speed tabletop centrifuge. This machine adopts a C-frequency conversion motor drive. High precision, long service life. Firstly, turn on the power cord at the backside. Press the right side power switch. The screen lights up and the machine enters the power on state. Large color screen displays all parameters. Buttons are simple and clear. On the left is the rotor number, in the center is the rotational speed. On the right is the centrifugation time. Press the setup button. Parameters enter a blinking state and can be adjusted. The speed can be adjusted by plus and minus signs. Press the changeover key to display the centrifugal force. This is also done with these two buttons. Next is the centrifugation time. The same procedure applies. After setting all the parameters, press enter to save. The red buttons are for stopping and opening the door. The green button is the start button. Next, take a look at the inside of the device. Press the red stop and open button. The door cover pops up. The door cover is designed with double-layer sealing ring, which is airtight, and with hydraulic gas spring, easy to operate. New machine use precautions. After opening the door cover, remove the protective foam inside. The machine is equipped with a horizontal rotor 32*, the 5th of October 15 ml capacity configuration. The single pendulum frame has a long nut design for easy access to the sample. Place the sample symmetrically into the adapter. Keep the chamber clean and free of debris. Close the door. Press the green start button. The device enters into operation. The centrifugal speed starts to increase. What should we do if the equipment loses power? Don't panic. Pull the emergency switch on the right side. The door cover will pop open. You can take out the sample.